Your work for this Wednesday at home is to log into Delta Math, and you will see two assignments. I've got a 224 quadratic review. This is your Wednesday assignment. You have 12 problems. If you will want to have open your Desmos scientific calculator for the first assignment. So you're going to click on the first assignment. And you need to find the coordinates of the vertex of the following parabola. So you have to read carefully. You're either going to need to find the vertex, or you're going to need to find the axis of symmetry. Okay, so to find the vertex, first you have to find x. And this you do on paper. So remember that x equals the opposite of b over 2a. So you want to write this down on paper. Number one, x equals opposite of b over 2a. Now, if you look here, the a is a 2. There's no b because there's no x value, and the c is 18. So the opposite of b would be 0 over 2 times 2. So go to your scientific calculator, and we're going to say 0 divided by, remember that fraction bar means divide by, 2 times a, which is 2. And the answer is 0. So x equals 0. So we know in our Delta Math assignment that x is going to be 0. So we're going to put that as an ordered pair. Now we're going to plug in 0 into our equation. So 2 times 0 squared plus 18. So always square first. 0 squared is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. And 0 plus 18 is 18. You're going to submit your answer. It gives you that clue because it says write your answer as an XY point. So we're going to submit, we're going to click yes, and here is the written example should you need it. So if you find your A, B, C, your axis of symmetry formula, plug it in, and then you plug that coordinate in to your equation, and you write your solution. Now sometimes, you guys, it's just going to ask you to find the axis of symmetry. If the directions say to find the axis of symmetry, you will need to write in x equals 0. The axis of symmetry is a line, and a line will have that x equals in it in order to get the answer correct. You have 5 problems to get correct on this, please. I want you to number your paper 1 through 5 and make sure you submit your work to get credit for this part of the Delta assignment. Thanks.